To use a discount card on the Walmart app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Services section of the app where you will find the option to add a discount card. Tap on the Add Discount Card option and enter the required information such as the card number and expiration date. You may also be asked to provide the security code and your name as it appears on the card. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with using the discount card. After adding the discount card, you can start shopping on the app. Browse through the various categories and select the items you want to purchase. As you add items to your cart, the discount will be automatically applied if the item is eligible for the discount. You can check the cart to see the discounted price and the amount you will save. When you are ready to check out, tap on the checkout option and review your order. Make sure the discount has been applied correctly and the total amount is correct. If you have any issues with the discount, you can contact Walmart customer service for assistance. To ensure that you get the most out of your discount card, make sure to check the terms and conditions of the card. Some discount cards may have restrictions on the items that are eligible for the discount or the amount of discount that can be applied. You can also use the Walmart app to track your savings and stay up to date with the latest deals and discounts. By following these steps, you can easily use your discount card on the Walmart app and start saving money on your purchases. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of the card and the app to ensure that you are getting the most out of your discount card.